Welcome to Dream Home Talk. Today, we're going to explore how to transform your bedroom into a charming rustic English cottage retreat using budget-friendly ideas. Rustic cottage decor is all about creating a cozy, timeless, and inviting atmosphere. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget to make it happen. If you're ready to add a touch of charm to your space, keep watching. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dream Home Talk for more inspiring decor ideas and affordable transformation tips. Cozy with soft textures. One of the easiest ways to bring in a rustic English cottage feel is by layering soft textures. Use quilts, chunky knit blankets, or crocheted throws to create a cozy look. These can be draped over your bed or an accent chair. You can find affordable options at thrift stores or clearance sales. Add vintage furniture pieces. Look for wooden furniture with a weathered or distressed finish, like a vintage dresser or a bedside table. Don't worry about buying expensive antiques. Second-hand stores and online marketplaces are your best friends for finding unique pieces on a budget. Decorate with floral patterns. Incorporate floral designs through your bedding, throw pillows, or curtains. This simple touch adds that quintessential cottage charm. If you're crafty, you can even sew your own pillow covers using floral fabric scrap. Use nature-inspired accents. Bring the outdoors in with simple, affordable decor. A vase of fresh or dried flowers, a bowl of pine cones, or even a few rustic wooden picture frames can make a big difference. These natural elements tie the look together beautifully. Enhance lighting for warmth. Lighting is key to achieving that inviting cottage vibe. Use warm-toned string lights, table lamps with fabric shades, or candles to set the mood. Mason jars filled with fairy lights are a fun and inexpensive DIY option. Add a touch of DIY magic. Rustic decor embraces imperfections and personal touches. Try simple DIY projects like painting an old piece of furniture with chalk paint or creating your own wall art with pressed flowers. These projects add character and charm while keeping costs low. Final touches for the cottage feel. Complete the look with some small but impactful details, like lace-trimmed curtains, a soft area rug, or a few books stacked neatly on a side table. These touches make the space feel truly personal and inviting. That's it for today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own rustic English cottage bedroom on a budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dream Home Talk, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.